Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to request movies or shows in Netflix. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type help.netflix.com/title request and hit on enter right now. You will then be redirected to this page of Help Center. Well, as you can see, here's something like request TV shows or movies. Right here are these three text boxes where you can enter your title suggestion. Now fill out this field right here. Now that you have successfully entered your TV show or movie that you would like to request from Netflix, simply hit on Submit Suggestion. As you can see, we have successfully submitted our request. Well guys, that's it. That's how you submit a request to Netflix for TV shows or movies. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.